today I'm going to share with you my coconut curry shrimp recipe. So right now I have some shell on and tail on shrimp. I'm taking all the shells off of it because I don't really like the shell on my shrimp. Some people leave the shell on. For me, I like the shell off. I am also taking the veins out, that little black line that you see in between. So I'm just deveining the shrimp and cleaning it really well. I washed it with lemon. My video stopped recording because I seasoned this with some green seasoning, which I will leave the link in the description, and I also put some salt and pepper. So right now I'm putting in some cumin seeds, toasting it in some vegetable oil. You could use any type of oil that you desire. I use vegetable oil today, and now I am sauteing some onions and some garlic. I also have some green onions there and some pimento peppers. So I'm going to saute these up for about 2 minutes, and once they are all nice and soft, I'm going to start adding in my spices, my curry and my geera or cumin and all of that stuff. So right now I'm just putting in all of the veggies and they're going to cook down really nice. Because this is the start of the curry sauce. The coconut curry sauce. So I sauteed that for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in the curry powder. I'm going to cook this curry for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add in some geera or cumin. And as you can see, I'm using Chief brand. That's the only curry powder and geera that I use. Now I'm adding in some turmeric. Just a little of the turmeric. And once it's cooked down and come into a nice paste, I'm going to add in my coconut milk, my nice rich coconut milk. You can use coconut milk from the can or you can use fresh coconut milk. It's all up to you. I use the can today. So at this point you're going to season up this coconut sauce. So right now I'm adding in a little water because it is a little thick, and you know, once you put the shrimp in there, it's going to thicken up even more. I put in a few sprigs of thyme, and I'm going to just adjust the salt and the pepper, black pepper, and you know, the water, and just make sure that everything tastes really well. You have to, you know, put salt to taste at this point. You can also add in some hot pepper, which will give it a really nice kick if you into spicy food. I'm actually making this for someone, so I am not putting anything spicy in there. So now that it comes up to a boil, I'm going to add in the nice seasoned shrimp. You see all that green seasoning on there? That shrimp is so, it smells so good. So shrimp does not take a long time to cook. It takes like about 3 minutes to cook. So what I'm doing right now, I adding in the shrimp. I'm adjusting the salt, make sure that everything tastes really well because this is almost done. Once it come up to a boil and the shrimp start, you know, kind of curling up and also changing its color, it changes color and shape, then you know the shrimp is done. You don't want to overcook shrimp because it gets very chewy and it's not desirable. So make sure that you monitor that. So right now I'm sprinkling some bandania or shadow benny on there. This, at this point, put in the shadow benny. This shrimp, it just gives it such a nice kick. So right now, the shrimp is done. It's done now. Um, you just adjusting, as I said, adjust your salt, make sure it tastes good, and then dish it out. So right now I'm going to dish it out into a silver pan, and yeah, it smells so good. I mean, the coconut curry sauce is so nice and thick, as you can see. You see the sauce thickened up really well. And I'm going to just put all of that in there. Well, I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment and let me know if you try this recipe. Always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.